Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my life transformation and my experience that I developed through the last 16 years of my life in the area of weight loss and body sculpting. How to get the beautiful, sexy and hot curves with natural eating habits, with lovely workouts regimes that make you feel eager to work out, not to make you sweat and hate the gym and workouts, and which would build the solid foundation of your mental health, which is crucial. So if you struggle in any of this area, your mental health, the way you look at yourself, your body image, your nutrition, your gut health, you need to transform. And I offer for you solutions that I crafted within this 16 years of my life, and I am ready to deliver to you your transformation. What you need to do, DM me right now, fill out the Google form, and we take from there. In today's video, I want to talk with you about that you need to fall in love with your body at first. And it's not something about also self-love and self-belief, but it's about an honest fall in love process with your physical body inside out, all your shapes that you identify yourself. Let's say your name is Amanda and you identify yourself, your personality as your physical body, as you are inside, as you are outside, your emotions, your character, your body shape, your skin type, your hair type, your all features that you have, and you are evolving process, you are evolving human, so you may change some sorts of habits, but as a character most of the time it stays solid unless you put some hard work to develop and change and improve, because most of the time people who have a bad characters, they do not change and they don't see that they need to change. So here I want to speak with you about the foundation of self-love, that you need to fall in love with yourself at first. Everything that identify with you as Amanda, what you call yourself, what others call you, I mean, as you, as an identity, you need to love it. Every single piece about yourself. So no matter where you are in your life, either you are in your 20s, either you are in your late 30s, either you are in your late 50s, there is still a room to bring more love, because we as women, our superpower is love and beauty, and it's all interconnected in our physicality, in our emotional well-being, in our magnetism, in our feminine energy. And here the all shaping comes from the solid foundation and stamina of being aware of yourself, all your parts, and dedicate love to each part of yourself. So as a fitness expert, the first is your physical shape, the way you look. And the way you look, not just to be as a parrot and repeat yourself an affirmations that you love yourself, which is also beautiful practice. But you need to understand, if you do not believe in your affirmation, or you still hesitant about certain affirmation, and you do not feel about your body just yet, for example, and you write that you want to have this amount of kilograms on the weighting machine, or you want to start wearing size 38, not 40, or you want to have a waist in 60 centimeters, something that you have maybe particular goal, but you do not do anything about it. But still, you need to understand that you need to love how you look now. You need to fall in love with yourself as you are right now, and the work that you are doing to achieve your perfect body condition, your perfect desired shape of your physical body, the way how you feel in your skin, the way how you attract others to your life, the way how is your character glowing, the way how you have your speaking ability, your eye contact, your charisma, you need to love also the current situation, and you need to fall in love with your current situation, and you need to love the process, the journey. Because there is, if you read any book, if you look at any movie, if you watch any biography, there's always point A and there is a success, point B, but there is still between A and B there is a process. And this process is the most tremendous part. There is a sweat, there is a breakdown, there is meltdown, there is depression. You can call in any aspect, in any area of life, either it's love story, either it's business venture, either it's sport. There is always the longest part is this sweat part, let's call it. So it's the same for you. If you still do not love yourself as it should be, but there is no such a definition as it should be, because there is so much capability in you that you haven't been aware yet. So the first thing is that you can do, you can put a seed of love in yourself and be aware of every part. And even if you have a struggle with your physical body, with your body shape, with maybe a certain disease, you need to love it. And from the place of love, you start the transformation. You start to change your nutrition plan. You start to change your eating habits. You quit bad habits like smoking, drinking alcohol, hanging out with the wrong company of people. Change your direction in your career. Take a class in something that you are basically fanatic, that make you feel that you cannot fall asleep at night because you love art, you love theater, you love acting, you love painting, but you are still not confident. And again, this all parts as a confidence, as putting down the life on later on, it's because you are lacking a self-love and self-belief and self-confidence. And this is all come as a seed in your work that you would dedicate to, first of all, love yourself. Second, show up for yourself every single day. No matter what's happening in your life, you need to show up for yourself as a warrior, as a superwoman, as this goddess, that you show up for yourself and you do the needed work. Sometimes you feel down, make as little as needed. Make some walk, do some steps, walk your dog, make a skipping rope. Sometimes you feel so up, you can hike and mountain, you can travel to other country for some certain, I don't know, trekking marathon or running marathon or hiking the mountains of Kilimanjaro, something huge, right? Or you can start with as little as take a classes with the acting teacher, and then you can start to have some small episodes in your local theater, and then you can pursue and move to the big city and pursue your career. So you see how it's all interconnected. The seed and the chain is so interconnected, because if you want something big in your life, as self-love, as self-acceptance, as beautiful family, as the most loving partner in your life, as financial satisfaction, as prosperity in your business, there's always beginning. And to the end of this story, where you see this absolutely mesmerizing result, there is a journey, and you need to enjoy this journey. How to enjoy this journey? You need to first love yourself. And no matter what, there is rain, there is snow, there is bad days, you have a menstrual cycle, you have, I don't know, acne suddenly because you eat half of the cake yesterday, but you still need to love yourself and look at yourself and say, yes, I have eaten this cake yesterday, but I still love those pimples. I am not regretting, but I will do the work. I will do the sweat. I will still put away sugar for long box, for the, I don't know, not a long box, for the long time out of my life, because this is for you again, for better you. And love yourself. And again, very crucial, a lot of people feel hesitant and distant from hiring a coach, mental therapy, mental coach, wellness coach, fitness expert. I still have so many people, even as on a consultation, as on also I do sometimes offline events, or even my clients at the first call, they are so hesitant to step into it and to work with the expert, with the coach. But you shouldn't be hesitant because you have struggled in the area of your life. It's better to go outside of the world, to get outside of your comfort zone and get the help of a specialist, of an expert, of a coach who have an credibility, who have results in this area, and who can help you navigate out of where you are right now and get you to your desired outcome, which would be easier, which would be faster, which would be more convenient. Because again, meltdown, breakdowns, it's happening. We all have bad days on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. So when you work with the expert, it's his job to dedicate himself, herself to you and lift you up. This is what I look after my clients. I look after their results as on my own results, and I'm so emotionally also attached to them, and I look after them to not let them get down. I am embracing them also on a mental level, on a physical activity, on what they eat, and educate them about all importance of all these areas to cultivate love, to cultivate not only fitness shape but also self-respect, body confidence, mindfulness, and navigation of life. Because how you pursue yourself, how you show up for yourself every single day would reflect on the area of your success in your life, where you are with your career, where you are with your hobbies, where you are with your partner, with your relationships, with your romantic relationships, and with all other relationships like your family and your friends, the way you walk on the street and how others pursue you. Because if you are feeling miserable, there is no one would noticing you, and there is a bunch of opportunities will pass by in your life, and you live only once. You are not a cat. So every single day you show up for yourself, and it's not only that you wake up from the bed, you stand up and you say, I show up for myself. No, it's the way you walk, it's the way you speak, it's the way you look at the people, and this is all comes from inside. If you are still hesitant, thinking about some pain in your belly, about your stomach, about something, the way you dress, it's all lack of this luggage, lack of confidence, lack of feeling the power in your body. And feeling the power of your body, it goes literally from lifting weight and do some exercise, physical activity, which is a fitness exercise, and also about mindfulness, your yoga practice, your Pilates, breath technique, meditation. Again, right choices, the way that it would be suitable for you, and also the mindfulness for you to understand what you're doing. It's not just to sit down and meditate. You need to know that expert would educate you about what are the process happening to you, what is the point of meditation, why it's important, and how does it would benefit you in a short term, in a long term, overall in all aspects. So this is crucial to work with the experts. This is crucial to look at life through the specs basically of love. Because your heart is full of love. You are a woman, you are a goddess, and you are creator of love and beauty. You can deliver to any single aspect more love and beauty in your life. First of all, it should be you. You dedicate it to yourself, you show up for yourself, and you multiply in all other aspects, in all other areas of your life, and you would glow more and more day by day, year by year, no matter what's happening around. So if you want to be in this position, if you want to have this glow, to have this confidence, and to have this stamina, feel free to reach out to me to any social media that I have, Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or email. Send me a message or email and inquire about free consultation call. Fill out the Google form. All the links is down below in this video description, and we will take from there. This is a life-changing experience, and I want you to have it for you, for better you, for your well-being, for your mental stability, and for you to prosper with every year, with every month, no matter what's happening. This is what I have to deliver to you. Feel free to reach out. Do not forget to put like, subscribe to the channel, share with your girlfriends, let them know that this is the power that we have, and we need to unite to uncover this power. We shouldn't be choosing the side of negativity. Choose the side of love and beauty, and we can change the world for better. This is it for this video. See you in the next one.